sorry guys, we have to make a part 2. We had to make a part 2 because my space was running out. And so, yeah, we got Taylor Rainey. Sorry for cutting that off. Got Taylor Rainey.
Okay. Yeah, I only have 2 more eggs left
and
to
I
open.
have 1 more egg. So, sorry about that, guys. You can watch part 2. But I'm good I stopped at the best part, even though I hate when people do that. But I'm good I stopped at the best part. So you guys will want to watch part 2.
Bye.
No, we're not saying bye.
Oh.
I'm just saying you guys would want to watch part 2. You want to watch this video. So, sorry I just stopped. My camera just stops on random moments. It doesn't have that much space in it. So...
Oh, yeah.
Back to you. Your turn.
My turn?
Yep.
Okay. I'm going to open this. Okay, I got a purple egg. I'm going to see what's inside.
Open it. Open it.
Ooh. I got
You got
man.
this little man. Okay, so I think, let me go ask my brother what this is, because I don't really know, and we'll be back when we do. Okay, guys, we just got back from asking my brother, so he said this was a little halo man, so she got this halo. Really cool.
Now I have a cute halo to play with.
Okay, my turn. I don't know if this is a silver or gold egg. I'm really scared. So, I really want to get that last bonus point. I want to get those 3 bonus points really bad.
One of these is the silver and gold.
I'm really scared. I really hope I get the gold egg. So let's just open it. I'm going to let you guys see first. Close your eyes, Julian. Let's let them see first. I'm scared. Okay, guys, what I get, leave in the comment section below. I'm not going to look at the egg. I'm just kidding.
Ah! You got this!
No! It's still good, though. I still get to keep it, but I just got 2 points. So, I lost by 1 point.
You got a little Lego man.
I got a little Lego police officer. Really cool. It also matches sort of with this halo. And so, yeah, guys.
That automatically means I got the gold egg. So, yep, it's gold. So, I'm going to see what is inside this blue gold egg. I'm going to open it all up. Crack it open. Ooh! Okay, I got this cute little tiny 2 pairs of shoes. Right there. They have some Play-Doh on it, but yeah. I'm going to look on the checklist.
Okay, so we also...
I'm going to look on the checklist. Where is it? Yeah, it's on the back. Sorry guys, we're trying to find the Shopkin on here.
This could be a mystery. So guys, if you know what this Shopkin is, leave it in the comment section below. The 2 ballerina slippers. If you guys know what these are, leave it in the comment section below, because we really want to know. So
we really want to know.
Yeah, we just really want to know. So, bye guys. Please make sure you subscribe. Hit those notifications. Just like pow, pow, pow. Those notifications. And smash that like button. Just smash it.
Smash it till it's dead.
Okay, guys. I know this is a little bit, but please try to get like at least 20 likes. Just 20. Not 20K. Just 20. Just
20. Can you guys please do that for us? And then we're gonna do our vlog. I don't know if it's gonna be daily vlog or weekly, but we'll let you know in our vlogs. So we will see you when we do our try not to laugh and when we do our draw my life. Bye. Bye.